Hello guys, my name is Budi and I'm here to talk about how to increase your wealth. One way is to invest in stocks, or you can buy real estate and you can get some rent, or there are lots of ways you can get passive income. So I'll talk about the checklist before we jump into the way of investing. So yeah, and I will talk about few points and make sure you watch till end so that you don't miss anything. And please like and subscribe my channel, because in next video I'm gonna show or tell you guys how to get more passive income, so which is really important. Investing is really important. Maybe you are saving down payment for your house, or you are planning for early retirement, or maybe you're planning a vacation, or maybe for marriage. So doesn't matter why you are saving money, investing is really important. Even if you're making 100,000 a year and then you're not saving money, you don't have any money end of the year. So you need to invest and save money. Maybe you are thinking like me, oh, I'll start investing today or tomorrow, but always keep on delaying it. This video is for you. Make sure you watch till your end. The points are really important. Or maybe if you're already investing and you're thinking, or you might not have, you might not getting enough returns, or still you have to watch it so that you don't miss anything, right? So let's jump into the points. So the first point is have extra savings. So you make sure you have extra savings at least for 6 months or 3 months, depending on how much you can save. So the savings should cover like your general daily expenses like gas, insurance for car, rent or mortgage, whatever you're paying, or your groceries, your bill, phone bills, internet bill, credit card bill, and the list goes on. Oh my God. We pay so much money every single month. It's oh my God. Okay, sorry guys, let's get back to the video. The next in the list is pay off your debt. So you might be thinking that, Budi, I don't have that kind of money to pay off my debt, especially during this COVID time. So if you're in that boat, you must watch my next video where I'll tell about the multiple streams of revenue, which I'm doing right now. So when I say pay off your debt, I mean bad debt. So there are two kinds of debt. One is good debt and one is bad debt. So in this video, I'll talk about the bad debt. So bad debt is something which value depreciates in the future. Let's say car loan. So when you buy a car, your value will depreciate in the future. So my advice is that don't buy expensive car. Like when we are young, we buy expensive car like Dodge or anyone. So I would say buy a cheaper car, brand new or whatever you prefer, and which is not expensive. So even Mark Zuckerberg, the Facebook CEO, is driving like Honda car, because this is my personal experience. I bought when I was young, a couple of years ago, I bought a very expensive truck, Dodge Ram 1500, and I was paying $1,400 per month just for car loan plus insurance, which is around $400. So I was paying $1,800 just for that car. So you can see, like, what do I save? What about the rent and phone and all those bills? Now I have old Ford Focus 2007 car and I only pay $230 for insurance. It's completely paid off. So you can see how much saving. It's roughly 18 minus 230, I don't know, 1,500 something. So $1,500 of savings per month. That 1,500 I can invest somewhere, or maybe put towards my down payment for my house or something. So make sure you don't have debt before you start investing. The next is credit card. So if you pay off your credit card on time and in full, that means you're good. But if you're only paying your minimum payment and then carrying forward your balance, then you might considering paying off your credit card in full before start investing, because the credit cards charge interest between 19 to 22%, which is really high. So make sure you pay off your credit card in full before you start investing. Next in the list is manage your expenses. So stop buy things which you don't need. We often go online and then, or we look at the advertisements in YouTube, Facebook, everywhere and say, oh, that's really nice, let's buy it. And we purchase it instantly. We don't think about it. So what I would say is take that link, save it somewhere, and then think about or come to that website after 2 to 4 hours and then say, do you really need that item? And then answer is still yes. And if it's cheaper, then sure. If it's expensive, if the item is really expensive, then maybe think for 24 hours and then see. If the answer is still yes, then buy it. But most of the time, by following this rule, you will save a lot of money. Trust me, I do that, and I literally just rule out so many things that, oh, I don't need it. Personal example, 6 months ago, I purchased a computer speakers, and then I used only 2 times in 6 months. And that's when I purchased initially, when you have like excitement, oh, I'm gonna use it. And then after that, I'm like, okay, I don't need these speakers anymore. So I ended up posting on Facebook Marketplace and sold it. So I get some extra money. So look in your house, the things you don't need, and then just sell it. Craigslist, Facebook, whatever you prefer. And that way you will get a lot of money, like which things you buy, and you will not buy things which you don't need. Next in the list is increase your monthly income. So you can increase your monthly income by maybe getting an extra job, a part-time weekend job. Just don't rely on your full-time job. Do you want to just live paycheck to paycheck? No, big no. Make sure you get either part-time job or either you upgrade your skills, maybe do some course which will get you a promotion, or do some technical course which will help you find some online job. There are lots of online jobs available, especially due to this COVID. Everything is online. You can find a lot of jobs and make money. So I will talk about those things or jobs where you can earn extra money online. I'll tell you in my future video. So make sure you complete this video and then you subscribe my channel so that you don't miss those things, and it really helps. The next is put money aside for future upcoming events. This is different from your saving money, which you're saving for emergency. So this money, suppose you need in upcoming future, like next year. So suppose you're getting married next year, or you're planning for a vacation, or you want to buy a car or anything, or you want to do some investment like buy a house or apartment. So that money, make sure you put different, especially the money you need within the next 3 years. Make sure you put that emergency money aside. Sorry, not emergency, the other money aside. So when market is down, you don't want to sell your stocks or sell your house and then you end up losing money. So in that case, if you know that you need this money in 3 years, then don't invest, because stock market is a long-term game and then it fluctuates. So sometime during COVID in March or February, the market was really down, but right now it's on high level. It's high. So make sure you don't want to sell your stocks when the market is down. So put some money aside. That's it. The next in the list is understand risk. Investing is a risk. When you invest money, you might lose money because stocks might go up or down. Before pandemic, the stock market was booming. It was really high. But as soon as the lockdowns were announced, the stock market went down overnight. So people get panic and they sell stocks. So they end up losing money, a lot of money, because you might lose money. So make sure you understand the risk and you do your study and then then invest in the stocks. Next in the list is get educated about investing. So you don't want to just, if person like me or somebody you watch online or YouTube and then he says go and buy that stock or buy that house, and then you just went into it and then you buy it, and then after some time the stock go down or the housing market goes down and then you lose money. So don't blindly follow what people say online or anywhere. Do your research, educate yourself, watch videos, take courses. It will help you gain your knowledge, and then when you have a knowledge, you know where to put your money, because at the end of the day it's your money, okay, and you have to invest on a right place. So you make sure that you educate yourself. It will help you in long run. Last in the list is subscribe to my channel and like that button. You'll say, what that was not supposed to be in the list, but it will help you. I will be making more and more videos, and I'll tell you according to my experience the mistakes what I have done. So if you subscribe to my channel, then you will get notified and you can watch those videos and then you can implement in your life. So please write in the comments below that what things you will start implementing now and what is the best part of this video. It helps me and encourage me to make more videos, and the next video would be on how to generate multiple revenue stream. So I'll talk about like how you can make more money. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching till end, and I really appreciate it. Stay safe and keep watching. Bye bye.